Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Apple's latest budget-friendly offering, the iPhone SE 2025. This new model brings a bold makeover to the SE lineup, blending affordability with cutting-edge features. Let's explore what makes the iPhone SE 2025 a game-changer. The iPhone SE 2025 adopts a design reminiscent of the iPhone 14, featuring flat edges and a sleek, modern aesthetic. Gone are the chunky bezels and Touch ID button. Instead, we have an edge-to-edge 6.1-inch OLED display with a notch housing the front camera and Face ID sensors. This shift not only modernizes the SE lineup but also enhances the user experience with a larger and more vibrant screen. Under the hood, the iPhone SE 2025 is powered by Apple's latest A18 Bionic chip, ensuring top-tier performance and efficiency. This upgrade brings the SE in line with Apple's flagship models, offering seamless multitasking, gaming, and the ability to leverage advanced AI features through Apple Intelligence. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the upgraded 48-megapixel rear camera, a significant leap from the previous 12-megapixel sensor. This enhancement allows for stunning high-resolution photos with improved low-light performance. The front-facing camera also sees improvements, ensuring your selfies are sharper than ever. In compliance with recent regulations, the iPhone SE 2025 transitions to a USB-C port, aligning with the rest of Apple's lineup and offering faster charging and data transfer speeds. Additionally, the device supports 5G connectivity, ensuring you're ready for the fastest mobile networks available. Despite these significant upgrades, Apple aims to keep the iPhone SE 2025 within an affordable price range, with expectations to start below $500. This pricing strategy makes it an attractive option for those seeking premium features without the flagship price tag. The iPhone SE 2025 represents a bold leap forward for Apple's budget-friendly lineup, offering a modern design, powerful performance, and advanced features at an accessible price. It's perfect for those looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. If you found this overview helpful and want to stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. The iPhone SE 2025 is not just about looks, it's about delivering a premium experience at a fraction of the cost. The flat-edge design, inspired by the iPhone 14, gives it a contemporary feel, making it look and feel like a high-end device. The 6.1-inch OLED display is a significant upgrade from the previous models, offering deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and better contrast. This makes everything from watching videos to playing games a more immersive experience. The notch, which houses the front camera and Face ID sensors, is a welcome addition, providing a more secure and convenient way to unlock your phone and authenticate apps. The edge-to-edge display also means more screen real estate for your apps, games, and media, making it a joy to use daily. Under the hood, the A18 Bionic chip is a powerhouse. This chip is the same one found in Apple's latest flagship models, ensuring that the iPhone SE 2025 can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're multitasking, playing graphics-intensive games, or using advanced AI features, the A18 Bionic chip ensures smooth and efficient performance. This means you can enjoy the latest apps and games without any lag or slowdown. The chip also brings improvements in battery life, ensuring that you can go longer between charges, even with heavy use. This is a significant advantage for those who are always on the go and need a reliable device that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. The camera system on the iPhone SE 2025 is another area where Apple has made significant improvements. The 48-megapixel rear camera is a game changer, offering stunning high-resolution photos that are rich in detail and color. This is a significant upgrade from the previous 12-megapixel sensor, allowing for better low-light performance and more flexibility when editing your photos. The front-facing camera has also been upgraded, ensuring that your selfies are sharper and more detailed than ever before. This makes the iPhone SE 2025 an excellent choice for photography enthusiasts who want a high-quality camera without the high price tag. In addition to the hardware improvements, the iPhone SE 2025 also comes with the latest version of iOS, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. This includes new features and enhancements that make it easier to use your phone and get things done. From improved notifications to new privacy features, iOS continues to set the standard for mobile operating systems. The combination of powerful hardware and advanced software makes the iPhone SE 2025 a compelling choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance or features. One of the standout features of the iPhone SE 2025 is its support for 5G connectivity. This ensures that you can take advantage of the fastest mobile networks available, offering faster download and upload speeds, lower latency, and a more reliable connection. This is particularly important as more and more services move to the cloud, and having a fast and reliable internet connection is essential. Whether you're streaming videos, playing online games, or working remotely, the iPhone SE 2025 ensures that you have the connectivity you need to stay productive and entertained. Another significant change is the transition to a USB-C port. This aligns the iPhone SE 2025 with the rest of Apple's lineup and offers several benefits. USB-C is a more versatile and widely adopted standard, offering faster charging and data transfer speeds. This means you can charge your phone more quickly and transfer large files in a fraction of the time. It also means that you can use the same charger and cables for your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, simplifying your tech setup and reducing the number of cables you need to carry. Despite all these upgrades, Apple has managed to keep the iPhone SE 2025 within an affordable price range. With a starting price expected to be below $500, it offers incredible value for money. This makes it an attractive option for those who want a premium smartphone experience without the premium price tag. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone looking to upgrade from an older device, the iPhone SE 2025 offers a compelling combination of performance, features, and affordability. In conclusion, the iPhone SE 2025 is a testament to Apple's commitment to delivering high-quality products at accessible prices. It combines a modern design, powerful performance, advanced features, and affordability in a way that few other smartphones can match. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or someone looking for a reliable and capable smartphone, the iPhone SE 2025 is an excellent choice. If you found this overview helpful and want to stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. The iPhone SE 2025 is not just a budget phone, it's a statement that you don't have to compromise on quality to get an affordable device. With its sleek design, powerful internals, and advanced features, it stands out in the crowded smartphone market. It's a device that caters to a wide range of users, from those who need a reliable daily driver to those who want a secondary device with top-notch performance. The iPhone SE 2025 is a testament to Apple's ability to innovate and deliver value, making it a worthy addition to the SE lineup. So if you're in the market for a new smartphone and want the best bang for your buck, the iPhone SE 2025 should be at the top of your list. With its combination of design, performance, and price, it's hard to find a better option. Whether you're upgrading from an older iPhone or switching from another brand, the iPhone SE 2025 offers a seamless and enjoyable experience. Don't miss out on this incredible device. Head to your nearest Apple store or visit their website to learn more and make your purchase today. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into the iPhone SE 2025. We hope you found this information helpful and are as excited about this new device as we are. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to stay updated on all the latest tech news and reviews. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best content and keep you informed about the latest trends and innovations in the tech world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. The iPhone SE 2025 is more than just a phone, it's a gateway to the future of mobile technology. With its advanced features, powerful performance, and affordable price, it's a device that sets a new standard for what a budget smartphone can be. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or someone looking for a reliable and capable smartphone, the iPhone SE 2025 is an excellent choice. If you found this overview helpful and want to stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If you found this overview helpful and want to stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. See you next time.